everybody, this is Ron and Penny. Say hey, Penny.
Hey, Penny.
All right, we got a horizontal beehive, holds 31 frames. I just finished up the final touches on it this morning, and she's ready to go. I've done a video on this before, so I'll give you the breakdown and you can see how all this thing is made. But we got us a new box of bees. We're going to put them in this hive. We're going to see what happens. This thing's supposed to be a whole lot easier to work with than your standard vertical. So basically, if you come over here, I'm going to remove these slats. Now we've got it holds 1.5 gallons of sugar water. It's a 2-frame feeder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and we're going to remove 5 of these frames. Because we're not going to do the shake method. We're just going to set the box in there, open it up and set it in there, let them come out, and we'll come check it in a couple of days. Is it a couple of days? I think so. A couple, 2 or 3 days. We'll hang the queen in here. So basically what we got now is we got 5 frames, the feeder, and then this is a petition board. It goes all the way to the bottom, so the bees can't go any further into this hive. If you look down here, this is an oil pan. Basically, the hive beetles and everything fall down through this 1/8 screen into the oil, and they suffocate. The bees will scare them down in there. But anyway, all right. So here we go. All right.
Get her
We're gonna spray them down with a little sugar water.
up there on the.
Whatever I did with it.
hive.
All right, there it is, a little sugar water. All right, I'm gonna give them a good dose of sugar water. All right, I'm gonna shake them down. See if I can do this better than I did last year.
That's your queen.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta pop this loose too, don't we?
Don't let
First.
her fall.
Okay. All right. Now let's see.
Uh-oh, it fell down.
Yeah, it's kind of wanting to sink down in there. That's all right. We'll get it. This is probably the hardest part right here, getting this dang can out. Now it's full of sugar water. It's got a lot of water in it. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Get your queen.
Okay. Hold on. Let me spray them down a little bit more.
They're gonna come out.
Yeah, that's right. All right.
Come down here and see if I can help you.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Shake them off there. Get the queen out. There we go. That's good. Alrighty.
So let's check
Let's
her.
look in here. Look at her. She's got
She's blue.
Got her a couple of helpers in there.
Very good. Moving around.
And side, look, is that cork on both sides? No, there's the candy.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're gonna remove the cork from the candy side so the bees can get in there and start eating away at it. Get this queen out of here when they accept her. When you know it. That's the girls right there in the background.
Yeah, we have audio.
Go get your shirt. She's like doing.
Okay, let me set this up here. I'm gonna
Daddy.
trouble getting this cork out of here.
Daddy, look behind you. Get my dress. Go get it.
Handy dandy little
Get my
survival
dress.
knife or whatever this thing is. There we go. Alright, now, I know a lot of people, they say to poke a hole in that sugar. I'm going to give it just a little start here. Not much. That's a lot of, I guess it's just seeped. That's a lot of candy. I'm going to give that a good little poke there. Alright, now, because you don't want to put that hole upside down, because if a bee dies, one of the bees die in there, then she can't get out. So we're going to turn this around like this. I'm going to ever so slightly and delicately try to staple. Put one little staple right here. Oh, come on now. When you know it. There we go. Okay, we're good. So we'll see that y'all want to see that. Wait, just see this blue light in the back? Yeah, that's the queen. All right. So I'm going to put her about maybe 2 in there. Turn her in there sideways like this. Give her a little space there so she emerges out of there. All right, baby, if you want to.
Sorry.
Pop that real quick. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so then we're going to pick all this up. We're going to set it just straight down in there. All right.
I was going to turn this so you can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, you can take that off.
Okay.
There you go. Now you can just turn it.
Yeah, there's
Oh, staple. Gotcha.
All right, guys.
All right, hold on. Let's go ahead and get these
There you go. Good idea.
back on. So we only have a few
Okay,
left.
put on there. Okay.
On there.
All right.
All right.
We got it.
Got it. You're in there. Come around ya.
Ready? Release the kraken.
Alright, now
Look at there.
that was easy enough.
Easy peasy, mac and
So
cheese.
take out the little block you have in the front.
Okay, yeah.
We had stopped it up.
Yeah, we stopped it up because we was worried about the other bees with these new foundation and then that good smelling honey or whatever wax, beeswax. We were worried that they'd come in here and start trying to build them a new house. So, alright, now we'll see. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I should be able to put these in here. Yeah, maybe not. I think I got enough room to put these in here like this. Nope. Okay.
No.
Nope, never mind.
That's alright.
Yeah, we'll go put them up.
Alright, we're gonna sign off for now.
All right, everybody. Happy beekeeping.